Okay, so let us go through one by one for the first one, which is to update e-invoicing start date. Okay. So firstly, to update the e-invoice start date, you need to go to Tools, Option, Country and Tax, and then go to the e-invoice tab, and then you need to enable the e-invoice button, okay? And then you need to key in your start date. So let's say you are on the batch January, so you put 1st of January 2025. If you fall on the last batch, you key in the start date is 1st of July 2025, okay? So after you set this up, you don't need to worry if you put the start date is 1st of July, if you key in invoice right now, it will not submit to the My Invoice portal, okay? Because your start date is 1st of July, okay? So now let me show my auto count. So here, basically, you go to Tools, and then go to Option, Country and Tax, and then E-Invoice. Okay, here, you need to enable the E-Invoice, this one, okay? So as you can see, mine is this account book is using AIP staging. So this is my testing mode, okay? So this one I link with my preport, myhasil.gov.my, okay? And then the start date here, I put as 25th of July 2024. So that now I can start submit because I already start date for this testing mode, okay? Okay,